I believe this is the best core support for your LS swapped S10. I'm not sponsored by any products, but I bought this from Deviance Fabrication. You can reach out to him on Facebook. He'll get you taken care of. This radiator is for an S10. It's a champion radiator. I bought it as a kit. Came with 2 spa fans, fan shroud, and with this core support it gave me more room for my fans and my intake. Here soon I'll show you how to hook up your lines for your AC compressor with a current performance condenser that will go in between here. The Deviance core support allows you to use your factory mounts for your headlights and grill. I highly recommend it.